In this video, I'll talk about how to fix stuck film in the Instax Mini 11 camera. I get quite a bit of comments with the Instax cameras about what to do when you have your film stuck in the camera. I've never really had this problem on my own, so let me try to recreate it and see what happens. So here I have the Instax Mini 11 camera. I have 2 exposures left on this one, so if I mess it up a lot, I'm only gonna lose 2 pictures. I'm gonna take a picture, and as it is ejecting the film, I'm gonna take out this battery, and that should stop the ejection. So I'm gonna take a picture and then take out the battery. And I'll talk out right here. Okay, so now I have a stuck film right there. I took it a little bit earlier than I wanted to, but that should be okay. One thing to know is definitely don't try this with your own camera. I'm doing this to try to make some instructional videos, but there's definitely potential that I'll damage the camera doing this. So here I have the Instax Mini 11 camera with the stuck film. So let's try to reinsert the battery now and see what happens. So I'm gonna reinsert the battery, and nothing happened, okay? So now it's flashing error. So I'm gonna turn it back off, and then I'm gonna turn it back on. Okay, and I see error. Now I have the camera on, the error light is flashing. Let's see if I can take a picture. Okay, so if I push the shutter button, nothing happens. So the next thing I can try is to open the film door and see if that would reset the camera. So I'm gonna open the film door just a little bit. Okay, now the camera it's still showing me the error. Okay, let me open the camera all the way. Okay, and now I'm gonna take out the pagan to see what that looks like. Okay, so it's kind of stuck in there, which makes sense because the film is stuck in there. Okay. Okay, so now I have it kind of stuck in there like that. I should be able to pull it out. Okay. So yeah, you definitely don't want to do this yourself. All right, there we go. So here is the unexposed film. So that's wasted now. And here inside you can see that I have the film stuck in there. And it's actually developed a little bit. But now I just need to get it out somehow. And it's really not coming out. It doesn't want to go either way, okay? What I think the problem is that what's holding the camera are the motors. So if I could get the motors going, that would be good. But it's not really, doesn't really want to do anything. So one thing that's really interesting, it's really stuck in there super tight. It's hard to, I can probably force it out, but I'm worried I'm gonna break something. When I turn on the camera, nothing happens. So I think I can just force it. Okay, so what I did was I pulled it out. I'm a pretty big guy. It took a lot of force to get it out. In the manual it says don't do that. So if you have a film jammed, do not forcibly pull out the film. Removing and reinserting the batteries while the power is on may enable the film to be ejected. This is what the picture looks like that I yanked out the camera. So you can see that this part was developed nicely and then I pulled it out, so that's overexposed. So let's see what happens now. So I'm gonna turn it back off, okay? Turn it back on, and I'm getting the error. Maybe I just broke my Instax Mini 11 camera. This situation I have can actually happen pretty easily. So imagine you're taking a picture and as it's ejecting, you drop the camera and the batteries pop out by accident, and you'll probably have the same exact situation. Wow, I can't believe this. So this is the camera that I thought I broke. Then I decided I wanted to also make a video about a battery swap. So use different types of batteries. Based on the comments I've been getting from you guys, the Duracell batteries seem to work the best. So I bought some Duracells. I almost never use alkaline batteries because they're super expensive. This pack here was like 8 Swiss francs, so it's like $9. That's almost as much as the rechargeable envelopes. And then on this side, the plus is on the bottom. So the bottom goes like this. And then all you have to do is to turn the... But shockingly, this fixed the issue. So yeah, if you have any issues with the camera, I guess buy some Duracells and cross your fingers. If Duracells don't fix it, then I guess the camera is broken. But yeah, good job, Duracell.